New Mexico,
Georgia,
Mississippi,
Brazil,
Pennsylvania,
Connecticut, Texas,
New Mexico, Idaho.
So we had our National Geographic Geography Bee, and we narrowed it down to 10 finalists from some preliminary competitions, and they competed with questions about geography, and we narrowed it down to our school champion, and she did a great job. Yeah, geography is really important because some of those questions were hard, but they were actually very relevant questions. It talked about the eclipse that happened last year and when it started or where it started. And you know, some of the kids, they weren't quite sure where to place themselves, west, east, north, south. And so it really plays a role in, you know, do you know where you are on the map? You know, we want to raise awareness for geography and how much it impacts our lives. Everything from war to peace, economic activity, political divisions, everything is influenced by geography. So we want to make the kids aware of what it is and how it impacts their lives.